Alright you guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to double the size of your bathroom, or at least make it feel like it's double its original size with just one simple trick or installation. Many of you have shower curtains. I had a shower curtain for quite a while. And when you have a shower curtain, me personally, I like to have it closed at all times. You may personally differ, but as you can see, I've got a pretty small bathroom. I have a 970 square foot home, and whenever my shower curtain was closed, it was as if a wall was next to the toilet. All you have to do to increase the size of your bathroom is install a glass shower door. It is without a doubt the best thing you will ever do in your bathroom. Your bathroom will feel twice its original size from the moment you install it. It's pretty simple. I've chosen a Ove Sydney frameless sliding shower door. It's I believe 78 inches tall and 59.5 inches wide. Like I said, install a frameless sliding shower door and double the size of your bathroom.